City views. We got that extra 800 to go with everything else. You know, that bed is for sleeping. That bed is for the fun.
Seriously, coming in hot. Brace the impact.
Quit playing. Alright, bro, like no lie. I've been wanting to show y'all this gas station for like ever, so I'm about to show you. This gotta be like the world's biggest gas station ever. I'm about to put y'all on game right quick. Hold on. Alright, start to finish.
Yeah.
Bro, this is a gas station, man. A gas station. A gas station.
They have wine testing.
Did I tell you this is a gas station, bro? A gas station. Go, out the door, out the door.
Yeah.
4 hours later, I'm finally here. Tired a little bit. I'm at the Westin. Downtown Dallas, of course. About to flip this bread right quick, man. You know how I rock. Gotta get that paper right. Then we're gonna see what happens, man. I got some stuff lined up. I have some things that I wanna do. We'll see what happens. You already know how I am. Indecisive and very spontaneous, so we'll see what happens. I'm convinced I'm driving to my death right now. This look like some Freddy vs. Jason type stuff. Oh my God, don't kill me. I got girls to see back home. Took out my key card. Forgot the card that tells you your room number in the car. Yay, we all get to go back downstairs and go back to the lobby because they don't want to tell me over the phone because I might be a killer trying to kill somebody who's acting like me. You already know how we coming, man. You know how we coming, man. You see it. 2 Queens. City views. City views. Damn, I like that pool right there. I know you see it. This right here, this the sleeping bed. This the bed I'm sleeping. And then right here, this the bed when you get down. This that bed. You know what I'm saying? You have them face this way. That's that bed. That's that bed. You can't see my face because of the light. That's what this bed is for. That bed is for sleeping. That bed is for the fun. Yeah. You already know I gotta get the room service, baby. No. Come pick it up. You see how I'm coming? I'm dripped all the way out right now. But I gotta start my morning off right, and the only way I'm gonna do that is with the proper drink. So that's what we about to go do. But check me out one last time. Making my way downtown, walking fast, paces pass, and I'm homebound. My room somewhere up there by that cloud. I'm gonna keep it a band with you, bro. The streets of Dallas is pretty sketchy. Like I was walking, I'm like, I probably shouldn't be this fresh walking around here. Felt like my life was at risk. We're gonna show y'all how Mr. Quit Playing himself. Quit playing. We're gonna show you how I roll when I'm on vacation. Not vacation, let me rephrase that. When I'm on my business trips, I feel like I don't show y'all enough of that. I usually just go on trips and put it on my Instagram story, or I usually put it on like Snapchat story. I'm gonna stop doing that because that defeats the purpose of doing videos, right? So we'll be a little bit more personal with y'all and show y'all how I get down, you know, like show y'all how I get down without being on stories and trying to be more video savvy. But we got the Moet Imperial, of course. It's the only way to go, Black Label. And of course I got my Simply Orange. We'll have ourselves some mimosa. I usually buy these, but I'm like, well, I might as well just buy the champagne and buy, which is a very better grade of a champagne than what you're gonna get at a restaurant. But I might as well buy the champagne. I might as well buy the orange juice. Unlimited mimosas. I don't gotta spend $10, $12 or $8 on one. And I end up drinking two and I still be wanting more because I'm not all the way right yet, man. So we're gonna do it ourselves. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, damn, I messed it up. Go. There we go. I always blink, man. I'm still from the hood, don't get it twisted. We're gonna hit that. And we're gonna stop. We gonna stop. Hit it with the old jizzle. And that should be enough. You know what I'm saying? Cheers. What are we gonna cheers to? We're gonna cheers to life. We're gonna cheer to life. We're gonna cheer to waking up another day because I couldn't have. It's possible I couldn't have woke up today. It's possible you couldn't have woke up today to be watching this. So we're gonna cheers to that. So, you know, we riding around and getting it, man. You know how I'm rock. I told them to bring y'all along. We adding up, you know. I got one more stop to make, and I got to go, I guess, on a date. I don't know what it is, but I'm going there, so I'll see you in a minute. We got that extra 800 to go with everything else. You know, I like to keep my bills very precise and all the same direction because I'm just neat and cool like that. Now to the date. I gotta go there and hopefully I'm not too late. She don't leave. Damn.
Are you ready?
Good, y'all. Good morning. Yesterday was a success. I had a great time. Didn't record it. You know, she was camera shy, so we might get that next time. We went Pinball's place. Pinball, I think it was called, I don't know. It was a bowling arcade place, which was pretty dope. And of course, after that, we went to see Frozen 2. Very good movie. Highly recommended by your boy Coop. Nothing too serious. That's it right there. So $11,000 watch. Quit playing with me, boy. You can say a lot of things, but you can't tell me I'm clean, bro. You just can't. I mean, be serious. Be serious. You ain't even seen that probably. Yeah, you ain't even seen that. Let's be serious. Primrose Aberdeen.